Hello? Oh, hi, Mr. Ismail. I couldn't find you. I was just trying to repair Allie, the alligator, but I don't know where she is right now, but I need help. So, there's these malfunctioning tube robots, I don't know, but one kind of looks like a jester, one is a broken jester. What should I do with them? Oh, you want me to send them at the warehouse? Thank you. But one thing, am I allowed to get access to the key of the warehouse? No? Why? Oh, now I see. So, I'm fixing Allie right now. His eye, I keep mixing him up with Dolly, sorry. Oh, get off, please.